Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another science class. Today students we are going to study about types of chemical reactions. So I would like you all to open page number 74 of your science book. Types of chemical reactions. Synthesis. The reaction between iron and sulfur to form iron sulfide is called a combination or synthesis reaction. This is because two different substances combine to make a new single substance. Another example of a synthesis reaction is the burning of magnesium in oxygen. Magnesium plus oxygen is equals to magnesium oxide. The rusting of iron is also a synthesis reaction. Iron combines with oxygen in the presence of water to form iron oxide. Rust. Iron plus oxygen is equals to iron oxide. Students, it is explained. Do you all remember what is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is a reaction during which chemical changes happen, and there are different types. First type is synthesis reaction. Synthesis reaction is also called combination reaction. In this reaction, two or more substances combine to form a new single substance. General formula for synthesis reaction is A plus B is equals to AB. For example, the reaction between iron and sulfur, iron is A and sulfur is B, and during their reaction, iron sulfide is formed. So it is a synthesis reaction during which a single substance is formed. Another is magnesium plus oxygen. Magnesium plus oxygen is equals to magnesium oxide. Magnesium is A, oxygen is B, and magnesium oxide is AB. Third example is the rusting of iron. Rusting of iron during iron combines with oxygen to form iron oxide. In this reaction, iron is A, oxygen is B, and iron oxide is AB. Decomposition. Decomposition is the breaking up of a single compound into two or more simpler products. Energy is needed to break bonds. Thermal decomposition is the use of heat to break down a compound. When copper carbonate is heated, it changes from a green powder to a black powder. The green copper carbonate breaks down into black copper oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Decomposition reaction is another type of chemical reaction. It is also opposite of synthesis reaction. Decomposition is breaking or splitting of a single compound into two or more simpler products, and energy is needed to break the bonds between these compounds. General formula of decomposition reaction is AB is equals to A plus B. For example, copper carbonate, it changes into copper oxide and carbon dioxide. So, copper carbonate, which is a green powder, is AB, and it changes into black powder copper oxide, which is A, and carbon dioxide, which is B. Another example of thermal decomposition is in manufacture of lime calcium oxide. Limestone calcium carbonate is heated to form calcium oxide, lime and carbon dioxide gas. Another example of thermal decomposition means we use heat to break the bonds. Is manufacture of lime. What happens during this? Limestone, which is calcium carbonate, is AB. When it is heated, it changes into calcium oxide, which is A, and carbon dioxide gas, which is B. A test for carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide reacts with lime water, calcium hydroxide solution. If carbon dioxide is bubbled through lime water, the lime water turns from a colorless to a cloudy white solution. Carbon dioxide is heavier than air. This means it can be poured from one test tube to another. Pouring carbon dioxide into a test tube of lime water will cause the lime water to turn milky. Now students, as I told you that during decomposition reaction, carbon dioxide is released. example we studied about copper carbonate, which breaks down into copper oxide and carbon dioxide gas. And another example we studied manufacture of lime water. Limestone is heated and calcium oxide and carbon dioxide is released. How can we know that carbon dioxide is released during decomposition reaction? So we are going to do the test for it. Carbon dioxide reacts with lime water. So when carbon dioxide is bubbled or added into lime water, it changes it from a colorless solution. Colorless means it is transparent clear solution, and when carbon dioxide is added, it will become into a cloudy white solution like clouds. We have seen that they are not transparent. The same way the solution becomes cloudy white. Carbon dioxide is heavier than air, so it can be poured into from one test tube to another. And when carbon dioxide is added into a test tube containing lime water, it will change the lime water to milky. Like we know milk, when we add water in milk, it is not clear. The same way the solution becomes milky. So this is how we are going to know that carbon dioxide is released during decomposition reaction.